Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a place to learn about budgeting, personal finance, and more. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a budget when you get biweekly paychecks. A budget can be done either on paper or digitally. I personally prefer to use Excel. Regardless of whether you're doing hard copy or digital, every budget needs to have a section for your income and then also your expenses for the month. I created a template that is free to download from my website, and the link to that is in the description below. If you choose to download that, you'll be able to edit it however you want, and you can make it fit your specific needs. So let me show you the template I have here. So here it is. This is exactly what's on my website available for any of you to use. This top section here has the income for the month. If you are an hourly employee, I'd recommend for this projected column, just go ahead and either do an estimate of your net pay, or if you're more conservative, you could do your lowest paycheck for the past couple months. So down below, we have 6 different categories for expenses. They are housing, transportation, food, insurance, debt, and lifestyle. We'll be going into a little more detail in just a moment on that. You may be wondering what this box here is for. So the whole goal is to budget every single dollar that we're making, so we have a specific plan as to what we need to be spending our money on. So the remaining to project would calculate if you've allocated all of your expected income to all of your anticipated expenses. There are going to be some expenses where you may not know the exact cost, such as food, but then there are others like your mortgage or rent, which will be a set cost. I would recommend just do your best estimate for the ones that are variable. Over the course of several months of budgeting, you'll be able to have a better idea of how much you're actually spending in those categories. So here for remaining to spend, this calculates what you have actually spent throughout the month. And the actual numbers get entered in the actual column of every single section. And if you notice that this goes negative at any point in the month, that means that you've already spent more money than you're anticipating earning for the month. If that happens, I'd recommend perhaps slowing down on your spending, maybe sell something or get extra income so you're not living above your means. This difference column here will show you if there's a specific category in which you are overspending. Looking at stuff like this personally helps me a lot because then I can see, oh, if I'm spending too much in restaurants, let's say, well, then I probably have to pass on going out to eat with friends for the remainder of the month, or I'll have to cut something in this lifestyle section or a different bill if possible. The expenses are put in order of importance. So if you're on a very tight budget, you'll want to pay attention to this. The most important things to pay first would be your housing, utilities, transportation, and food. All of those should really be paid before you are spending money anywhere else. Once those are covered, I would then recommend spending money on your insurance and debt payments. If you're on a tight budget, perhaps only do the minimum payments. With this lifestyle section, it's the least important, but of course it's here because we all probably have subscriptions. You might want to get your hair done. But this would be the last on the priority list to pay. Well, that's an overview of the template. Please feel free to go ahead and play around with it and change it however you need. If you have any questions about budgeting in general or questions about how to use this template, please leave it in the comments below. And as always, please like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my next video. Thanks and have a great day.